Indianapolis had 60s, but Kokomo and Lafayette were already in the 40s.
Oh, wow.
And we've dropped into the 50s.
Okay.
Yes, so a big change, and it's along that boundary or that front that we're going to have several waves of heavy rain develop between now and the start of the weekend. There's that warm, muggy high of 67 today. 53 was the low temperature this morning, but we will get new low temperatures hour by hour this evening as we're already down to 52 in Indianapolis. We're down to 49 degrees in Greencastle, 46 in Lafayette. But in the 70s south of this front, Bloomington 72, 76 degrees in Bedford. So a 30-degree spread between Lafayette and Bedford all along this boundary. And it's along the boundary that we're going to have several waves of heavy rain. Rainfall potential between now and the start of the weekend, 2 to 4 inches or more. Flooding is a real concern the next several days. We'll also be on the lookout for a couple of gusty thunderstorms. That risk of severe weather covers the southwestern part of the state tonight and includes the southern sections of the state during the day tomorrow. That greater risk for severe weather stays south of the Ohio River over the next couple of days. And it's actually where we find a couple of severe thunderstorm watches already this evening down to our south and west. You can see those severe storms coming out of Oklahoma. Locally, we're starting to see a little more rain start to fill in with live Doppler 13 radar. You can see some pockets of steadier rain right over the Pendleton area between Muncie and Mount Pleasant, Rushville and Connorsville. We go south. We've got some steadier rain and a little bit of lightning starting to develop just south of Sullivan. This is just southwest of Bloomfield in the southwestern part of the state. This quickly fills in between now and 11 o'clock. Join us tonight at 11. We'll be tracking the heavy rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, and again, can't rule out a gusty thunderstorm tonight into the early part of tomorrow. Tomorrow looks soggy start to finish. You can clearly see that with Future Track 13. We've got heavy rain on the way for tomorrow. Heavy rain, another wave Friday night into Saturday, and on the backside of this storm system, some very gusty winds as we get into the start of the weekend. Wind gusts on Saturday, 40 to 50 miles per hour, and we won't be done with the heavy rain until we get into the early part of Saturday as well. Your 7-day forecast does include temperatures that will stay pretty mild as we go through the early part of next week. We'll be in the 50s over the weekend. Your pick as far as the weekend goes is on Sunday. That's when we finally have some sunshine and 56.
All right, Angela.